So the 8849 ThinkPad is my go-to tablet for a bunch of reasons. It is a rugged style tablet with a fast processor, which the Dimensity 8200 with 16 gigs of RAM, 512 gigs of storage. Yes. Plus you got SD card support. Plus 5G SIM support that you can make phone calls, text messages on the go. IR blaster and insane battery plus 66-watt charger in the box. Also, you get an included screen protector and more. But icing on the cake with these tablets, right? The 8849 ThinkPad has a projector. That's right. But you know what? 8849 is not taking their foot off the gas pedal. So introducing the all-new 8849 ThinkPad Ultra. What's up, guys? This is Zach back with another video. So the ThinkPad Ultra is a nice update from the original ThinkPad, which was already a beast. Man, I love the ThinkPad, right? I mean, look, think about it. You got your Apples and your Samsungs out there, right? And some of the features that the ThinkPad has, those tablets can't even come close to the features and functionality that the ThinkPad provides, right? So think about it. Look, here's a fast rundown on some of the key features of the ThinkPad Ultra, right? It has a huge 34,400 milliamp battery, 66-watt charger in the box, IR blaster, plus you get storage and you get a 1080p projector with night lights, night vision, and I mean, a good camera system, by the way. Now, it is a rugged style device. It is pretty heavy, but you think about it, chargers in the box, IR blasters, a 1080p projector on it, a brighter projector, I may add, right? And all the bells and whistles for a little over $500. I will leave all product links down in the description below. But let's talk more about the ThinkPad Ultra. So the ThinkPad Ultra has a 1080p projector with 260 luminous, which is up from the 480p projector with 100 luminous that was on the original ThinkPad. And the quality is so good. Yes, you definitely can see the difference in image quality, but don't get me wrong. The original ThinkPad has a very good projector, but with the all new 1080p with the huge sensor and a brighter light that's coming out of the sensor, you get a very, very good image quality. Now, I'm gonna put these side by side so y'all guys can see. And look, on YouTube, on video, you may not see the difference, but in person, you definitely can see the you definitely can see the difference in quality when it comes down to the ThinkPad Ultra versus the original ThinkPad. But make no mistake about it, the original ThinkPad is really good. But if you want to step up in quality, the ThinkPad Ultra is the tablet to get. So the ThinkPad Ultra display is 11 inches at 1920 by 1200 with 120 hertz IPS display. It is a nice display with rich colors, deep blacks. Believe it or not, IPS display has deep blacks in it, right? But I really do like the blacks that's coming out of here. Look at this color. Right? Look how beautiful this display is. That's one of the outstanding things that stuck out to me when I started using this tablet was the display. The display is absolutely gorgeous, which is really good here. Coming from the old OG ThinkPad to the newer one, the display is bright. I mean, it's like 2 times the brightness. Now, I searched online to try to see how bright the display is as far as the nits, but I can tell you in person, the display brightness on the new ThinkPad Ultra is a whole lot brighter than the original, which is a good thing. So, I mean, coming from the original to the ThinkPad Ultra, you got some nice standout features. You got a brighter display. You got a more high resolution projector. Obviously, you still got the same processor. The Dimensity 8200 is a fast processor. Don't make no mistake about it. It's a flagship processor to me, right? Because playing games on it, no issues. Using a 120 hertz display, going through different applications, no problem. No hiccup, no stuttering. I mean, it's a flagship tablet, true and true. And the price about $5.99. I will leave all product links down in the description below. Let's talk about these cameras, because these cameras is something that shocked me. Look, I don't, recommend using a tablet outside and stuff like that. But let me show you some footage here of this tablet when it comes down to the cameras. And I think it's pretty interesting and it's pretty damn good. So check this out.
The Chosen.
All right, so this is the front video camera of the ThinkPad. Man, listen, I'm looking at the screen now. I mean, my eyes could be deceiving, but the overall quality of me looking at the display is really good here. I mean, the face tones is good and stuff like that. Again, the only problem is kind of holding this tablet at over 1,300 grams. It's pretty heavy to hold in one hand. Now, another thing is that the camera is right there. I kind of got it in landscape mode, and the camera right there. So kind of framing it is a little difficult. But yeah, you won't be taking videos and photos with this heavy tablet. But this to showcase off how good the cameras are on this thing. It's pretty dope, man. I mean, especially what I'm looking at. All right, so this is the infrared camera, and my studio is completely dark. And as you can see, it is amazing. Wow. So yeah, this is going to be the infrared camera. And as you can see, the details here is really, really good. In a pitch dark environment, I can actually see this in a really, really good setting. And but yeah, look at that. Look at the details of this speaker here in a really, really dark environment. That is insane. I mean, it is really dark in here, and wow, this is amazing. Okay, so let's go over this tablet, right? Because it's pretty unique. You got the huge sensor here when it comes down to a projector. You got your volume up and down here. You got two programmable buttons, and I got one of them for the light. As you hold press it, and bam, you got your light right there. I mean, this is a beautiful, bright light right there, right? And you just hold press, and the light goes off. And the second programmable button I have for the projector. So if I hold press it, and the projector is going to come on. Okay, and there we go. The projector is on there. So that's something that I got it all set up there for me. The battery life has been outstanding. You got a pre-installed screen protector here. You have your power button right here that does as a fingerprint scanner. You got your IR blaster here. It's a rugged design. You have your SIM slot / SD card support. Okay, and right down here, you got your headphone jack. Listen, headphone jack, baby. Headphone jack, and you have your USB Type-C port, right? And on the back, you have your infrared cameras, and you have your cameras here. Now, one of the things I really do like about this tablet is that you could put this on a stand. It has a port to put it on a stand. This is great for watching movies when you just want to set it on a stand and twist it and get it all ready to go. And for your projector, this is good. Now you got your speakers here on the back. Speakers sound really good. But yeah, it's a rugged, just a rugged design that's really good. Now, you do have your normal usual suspects when it comes down to the software here. You got your remote control for your IR blaster, which is really nice. You do have your rangefinder. Yes, you got your rangefinder here. You do have your toolbox. Your toolbox have all your goodies there. Let me turn this. One of the things I like about this tablet is think about this. I have this on almost at the lowest of the brightness. This is how bright this display is, by the way. But yeah, I got the lowest of the brightness. So you do have your toolbox that have all your camping stuff, and if you drop this in the water, you could clean the water dust out of the vents, because you do have your IP rating here. You have underwater camera. You have everything here, just like on your OG ThinkPad, right? You have it all here. So yeah, man, you got your toolbox here that have all your stuff. This is a utility tablet that has a fast processor, and you have a projector on here. So you have a lot of stuff going on here when it comes down to features and functionality, which is absolutely amazing. So yeah, that is me going over the ThinkPad Ultra, because it's a fantastic tablet. Okay, so here's my conclusion. The ThinkPad Ultra is a very nice upgrade coming from the ThinkPad. The only thing that I just don't like about the ThinkPad Ultra is the weight. It's very heavy. You definitely got to hold it with two hands, or you can get the stand, right, to work with it. One of the things I do like is that it does have a port here to connect a stand to it, right? So it works really good. Another thing that I like is the speaker system. Now, they give you full body sound. It's from the bottom. But when you watch movies and you crank this bad boy up, oh boy.
One big happy fleet. Ah, Kirk, my old friend. Do you know the Klingon proverb that tells us revenge is a dish that is best served cold?
I mean, this is a deep, nice sound, right? It's not muffled. It don't have too much hives, but it gives you a good balanced sound. I really like that. The projector on here is by far nice, okay? It is really good. You do have facial recognition. You have a fingerprint scanner. You have enough storage to last you forever. 512 internal plus SD card support. Plus, you can put a SIM card in here to make phone calls. Now, I demonstrated that on my first video with the first ThinkPad, and it does the same thing here. Throw my T-Mobile SIM in here and it works. The display on here is super bright compared to the OG. I don't know the nits. I was trying to find the nits on how bright the display here on this tablet, and I couldn't find it. Only thing I could tell you is that from my testing, it's way brighter than the original ThinkPad. The weight is something that concerns me about a lot of 8849 tablets. They're very, very heavy. Look, instead of them going to the more lightweight, they're going to the heavy side, and that's something that will concern a lot of people. Now, it's a rugged style tablet, so you don't have no worries with dropping it. Now, if you drop it on the glass, right? I mean, you can still break the glass. I mean, it's not indestructible, but since it has all the military grade IP certification and stuff like that, you should be fine. But overall, thumbs up, man. 8849 is knocking it out the park, man. I really do appreciate what they bring to the table. Their Think devices has been awesome. The tablets has been awesome. Their projectors has been off the chain. The only thing that they got to fix is the software updates. I mean, look, the original ThinkPad is still on 14. This one is on 15. Hopefully we could get a little more TLC. Now, I did receive a software update for the ThinkPad Ultra, just so you know. But man, if they can fix that one little thing, right? That one little thing in that support. If they can fix that, I can rock these tablets forever, because they are very good for what you get. All right, I will leave all product links down in the description below. This is Eric the Tech Preacher. See you guys on the next video. Peace.